Hello everyone. So welcome to week 2. So this is what you need to be aware of for what you need to do for week 2. Definitely what you need to do before we meet on Monday. So always go to your module and go to week 2 overview. So that gives you an idea of what we are going to do this week. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to listen to another short lecture on names. You listened to one last week, but we're going to listen to another one, which is about some laws and rules related to choosing names. Then you will also learn to record your speech, and you are going to do an oral presentation in front of your class in the Zoom class on Thursday. Okay, and you will have a unit quiz. So what should you do before you come for our Zoom class on Monday? I would like you to do this listening assignment. Okay, so it's right here, week 2 listening assignment. So you click on this. So you are going to listen to this lecture. It's a very short lecture, and then you are going to complete this exercise. Okay, if you click on this, you will get the exercise. So let's see how it looks like. Okay, so you're going to fill up your answer. Whatever the right answer is, you are going to put the letter. If it is A, you're going to put A. If it is B, you're going to put B. But before you do this, it's important that you listen to this lecture first, understand, take notes, and then do this. And you have to submit this, this page. After you finish, you are going to submit it as a file. How do you do that? So let's see. So I'm going to be like a student, probably because it's not released. Or you can just type in the answer, okay? Because the module may not be visible right now because it's not tomorrow, Sunday yet. But that's what you're going to do. So you're going to go to week 2 module and you're going to do this listening assignment. You can attach it as a file. It's very simple. Or you can simply type the answer 1A, 2B, like that also. Okay, but you need to do this before you come to class on Monday, and I've given you time until Monday 4 o'clock. Okay, but if you can do before that, that'll be fantastic. That is one homework you need to do before Monday, and I want you to kind of just read this and get familiar, because this is what you're going to do for your oral presentation. And all the information, if you don't have the book, it is right here. So if you click on this little thing, you should be able to see what the information is. So read through this, and if you have the book, it is on page 11, and see this outline. That's going to help you to prepare. You don't have to do anything right now. We're going to talk more about it in the class, but just go through that so you're kind of familiar what you have to do for that. So those are the two things I would like you to do before you come to class for our Zoom session on Monday. And again, we are meeting on Monday. Okay? During the session, we will talk about this lecture. We will review some of the vocabulary that you may not have heard before. And we will also talk about what kind of verb tense you need to use. I will also go through your last week's homework, and then you will take some time to interview a classmate so you can gather information for your oral presentation. Then, of course, you have homework between Monday and Thursday. So these 3 are the homework that you have to do. You have to participate in the discussion. I will explain or make it available after our class on Monday. you'll do a practice quiz, and you will prepare for the oral presentation. Then on Thursday, you will do the oral presentation, and we will talk a little bit more about the unit, how to get ready, and then I'll explain to you about the homework. And at the end of that, you will complete the Unit 1 quiz. This quiz will be based on the vocabulary you have learned and also a video that you have to listen and answer some questions. All about names again, nothing new. So that's pretty much what we are going to cover for week 2. So I hope it's clear, but even if you didn't follow much of what we are going to do for the whole week, before you come to class on Monday, click on the overview, go to listening assignment, do the assignment, submit your answer, and read the information about your oral presentation. That's all you have to do for Monday's class. Okay? So I'll see you on Monday.